So it happened. I lost my entire virtual lab environments, years of configuration, gone just after a hard drive reset. The virtual lab I lost was intended for this channel for during show and tells, but honestly, this might be the best thing that could have happened because today we are rebuilding everything from the ground up, from scratch, the right way. And the reason why I've chosen to take this approach, well, in keeping with one of the planned themes for this particular channel, which is of course sharing knowledge when we experience certain impacts as a result of misconfiguration risks, similar to the present situation that I'm currently in at the moment with me losing my virtual lab environment. I'm sure I'm not alone, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate with regards to losing something so vital. And did I mention that the virtual lab host platform was actually a VMware workstation? If you've tried downloading VMware recently and got completely confused about the Broadcom migration, then you're not alone, because I actually experienced that, and I'll be running you through the process in the upcoming series of rebuilding my virtual lab. So let's do this together. Let's fix this issue together. Join me by liking, commenting, subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can get updates on the progress with rebuilding this virtual lab and other topics to come. And on that note, I would say stay pure, stay hydrated, because it's going to be a journey. I hope you enjoy and learn something every step of the way. Let's talk pure delivery.